I'm going to show you some like Jedi level stuff, and it's going to allow you guys to search engine optimize what you do. You guys can see my smiling face in orange. So I just changed my tactic a little bit on LinkedIn, guys, because now there's stories on LinkedIn. And I've been seeing like the viewership isn't that high right now. Even if I have like, as I do, I think I have like 20, let's see. I have 18,150 followers. The idea is though, those stories, like they only get viewed a few hundred times, right? So my stories are getting like 1% traction ish, 1.5% traction. So just like Facebook, their stories aren't hitting everybody, if you know what I mean. So that's not a big engagement tool yet, but I'm still using it so you guys know. All right, so let's break down what a profile does and why it's important. So the old school of thought on LinkedIn was your Facebook profile should be a resume, okay? And this would allow a recruiter to come to your profile and see what you've done, your experience, and that's going to get you moving forward. Well, I had the lucky, or I'll show you who my teacher was, this wonderful lady named Bryn Tillman. And I pay her a ridiculous amount of money every hour. She's like the biggest teacher of LinkedIn. She runs Social Sales Link. She runs a podcast. She's a really amazing lady. She's taught me everything I know about LinkedIn, okay? And she allowed me to make, and I'll just set this in stage so you guys know, every year on LinkedIn since 2016, I've made 500,000 or more in sales, with my smallest year being 500,000 in sales just off LinkedIn, okay, in B2B connections. So the stuff I'm going to show you tonight really, really works. And I'm going to show you why it works. But I just wanted to set the stage. This was my teacher. So if you guys want to go spend that, I think it's like $1,000 US an hour, $500. I don't know what she charges. It comes in packages now. But you can choose to reach. She can teach you, or you can get it all here for free. So I just want to put it in context. I paid thousands and thousands of dollars for my LinkedIn education. Okay, so how do we do it? Well, first you need a clean, smiling photo of yourself with a nice business-like headshot reflecting who you actually are. So if you're a suit dude, you want to be in a suit. If you're, a prim and proper lady, look prim and proper. If you're fun, then just be fun. Be yourself on here. The reason I've chosen an outside color is because it really pops on stories, and that's a new ad thing. And I do it in black and white because no one's doing it. My thing on LinkedIn is it's very like blah. And to stand out, you need a little bit more. And when people search you, they only get the little circle, right? Kind of like Facebook with less description. So the idea is there's only a couple things to stand out. You get this headline right here, okay? And you get 223 characters now in your headline. You used to get 126, so they've expanded that. And now this is keyworded. So remember to put the keywords for your industry in here. And if you guys want to find out what keywords exist, I use Keywords Everywhere, which is this little tool right here. I'll give you an example of Keywords Everywhere. You guys can see this in up top screen. So let's say our keyword is affiliate marketing, okay? Affiliate marketing, okay? Now, when you type this in with Keywords Everywhere, what happens is it pops down how many times this has been searched. It gives you a lot of like keywords that are also around it. So when you're looking for how to attract people to affiliate marketing, or you can just go, if you want to search digital marketing, you know what keywords are being leveraged online and what the cost of them are with this tool. So you can see this is searched, it's 20 bucks a shot. It's searched 2,400 times a month. So you see the search volumes, you see their keywording, and that's how you build the profile. This Keywords Everywhere. You get 100,000 credits for like 10 bucks. They don't run out. It works over top of YouTube as well. So if I'm on YouTube, this is a really cool thing. And I'm trying to pick topics out for my personal brand on LinkedIn. And I go affiliate marketing, right? So let's go affiliate. Oh, sorry guys, affiliate. There we go. So you can see affiliate marketing. You can see how many searches come up. You can see like terms that people are searching with affiliate. So you can see what to talk about. So this is just a prime example because our group is called that. But this is how I'd keyword my profile. So if I was doing digital marketing, right? And this is what I'd suggest you guys do your LinkedIn profile around is digital marketing experts, digital marketing professionals. You look up what the other keywords kind of sit around. So there's a lot about strategy there. You talk along online presence, digital presence. There's a lot of different keywords. So I'll let you invent it. I'll let you do your research, but this is the tool that I use. And I run a multi-million-dollar agency for this. We use keywords everywhere. It's very good. There's a lot of keyword. There's something called Keyword Tool. It's very effective. You guys can use that as well. And there's Niels Patel's Uber Suggest. It's really good. And you guys can look at those if you want to keyword your profile. So what you have to know is that LinkedIn is SEO based. So if you guys want like a bunch of visitors to your profiles or a bunch of viewers of your posts, like some of my posts get 500 views, some of my posts get a few thousand views. It's very random in what happens when you look at your activity. My highest post, I think, got 150,000. It just kind of depends on where you're going. This is the key monitor. A good profile will appear in search appearances more than 100 times a week. So if you're SEO'd, anything over 100 here is really good. It means you're on the first couple pages of that LinkedIn search for what you want to be. So when you get up to 500 range, it's doing amazing. The highest I've seen is like 900 something. So anywhere in between I'd say 100 to 1,000 is really important. And then you'll get a lot of people just reaching out to you. All right, so let's talk about the key sections. As I said, there's some SEO stuff to talk about here. And here's the thing that other people, and this is why I said a lot about keywords. Keywords are everything on LinkedIn and people don't understand how to do them. And I'm gonna show you guys today. So you have your photos. And
he's got 2 boys. He's got an autistic son.
Sorry, Sandy. Can you kill your mic there real quick? But
Sorry.
No problem. But the idea, guys, is most people don't know this trick is that if you name a file name, okay, for your picture, before your picture at keywords. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. So imagine you have like your JPEG, right? So let's just say it's called this.jpg, right? So that's your file name on your computer. Well, what LinkedIn does is it reads it like this. So if you go sales _ marketing _ business _ affiliate. Now it will keyword these words. Now you can have, I think, 160 some odd characters in the name of your photos, your banner and your photos. If you keyword your banner and your photos, you will get 50% more views than just keywording your profile. So your photos are actually 50% of your keywording. Most people don't know that. So what you're gonna do is take the current photos you have, re-upload them with your keywords you've explored with Keywords Everywhere, and put your keywording in before the dot, like JPG or .png. So that would be like your file name, but you'll have a lot more words there. And it depends on your personal brand and what you're running. We're all running different things. As you see, my agency is advertised here because this is my main B2B representation, where I do my main on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. You'll see me advertising Affiliate Nation because that's, you know, the power of those two together.